guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Akan Jennifer. So today we're going to be creating a very soft look. So first of all, I'm going to be cleaning my face with the baby wipes with mixing and cleaning water. Then I'm going to be using these brushes from Cosmetics. I'm going to moisturize my skin with this nickel serum. It's really important that you clean, moisturize and prime your face. So I'm going to be priming my face next with the Rimmel face primer. This is really important. Then I'm going to be using this foundation by Maybelline, and this is my perfect shade and it blends very well. I really love the Maybelline foundation. It's really nice. It stays very matte. Then I'm going to be highlighting my face with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. Try as much as possible to reduce the amount of product to take close to your eye bags because it can cause a lot of creasing later on. So try to minimize the product. Try to blend this as much as possible. You can also use a beauty blender, but I use both interchangeably. Then you should try as much as possible to blend it properly. Then I'm going to be setting the highlights with a setting powder. I'm going to be using my benign setting powder for this process, and just put it and like set the face properly. Then I'm going to be dusting off the excess with my brush and redefining, because as much as you are setting your face, a lot of things gets ruined in the process, so you have to like reset the face, like redefine, keep on going with the product so that everything comes out perfect. Just keep on defining the face. So next I'm going to be using this David's eyebrow pencil. The pencil is going nowhere, it's really still bomb. Brush up your brows and outline your eyebrows. I'm going to be posting a very detailed tutorial on eyebrows, but this one is just going to be a little bit messy, and just that's why I love it. So I'm moisturizing my lips with this Vaseline. I really like it on my lips. It makes the lips ready for lipstick application. So I'm going to be defining my brows, and I'm so sorry about the fact that the video is not showing properly. That was an edit on my own part. So you're just going to try as much as possible to straighten the line and to cover like rough edges and make that brow to be very smooth. Just try to keep a straight line, keep your hands firm. When you're done pushing down the product, try as much as possible to blend the product down and blend very well, blend very well. Then I'm going to be setting the rest of my face with this ladyvee powder palette. I'm going to be using to contour my nose region. You know, I previously highlighted, so now I'm going to be contouring the sides, so give it a no smash to look. So you just want to contour very properly and detail as well. Then I'm just going to be setting the rest of my face or contouring the rest of my face with a darker shade of the powder. This is really important that you blend. Try as much as possible to blend guys. Keep on blending. You have to keep on blending till you're satisfied. So I'm going to be using the Blossom palette on my eyes, my eyelid. I really did not want a crazy drama eyeshadow look. I just wanted a very soft look. So I'm going to be fixing my eyelashes. I actually prefer using my hands to fix my lashes. I really don't know why. So you can use whatever you want. You can use your tweezers. So I'm going to be using my Zaron lipstick and my classic lipstick. I'm going to be outlining my lips with the dark shade of Zaron lipstick in Magito, and I'm going to be putting the classic in between and blending that out. So I've applied the lip gloss now and I keep on blending, and I just used a blush and a bronzer and I'm spraying my face, and yeah, we're ready to go. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.